Okay, so I just want to make this video here to tackle the issues I've been having. Is the system works, but my mindset was not in line, and I take trades without thinking twice about it, and that is really bad. So it's just one thing that I want to one thing I want to tackle here, and basically do it for my future reference. The trades were fine, not fine, but the setups are working on certain criteria, and of course it still works like normal. Let's go to 3 minutes here. See this one, so you can see how this one kind of works. Price on the previous shoulder, kind of wait until it breaks. It breaks that, it bounces off the trend. So the identification still works. It's just the fact that a lot of these backtesting, it works because I can do it fast pace, and it does not reflect real live market conditions. And so, recently, because I developed so much, I've grown so much from backtesting, and that is precisely why in the live market I was way overconfident, and I need to step back a little bit, I guess. And you can see here that on the chart, this was not a 1 minute at all. It did not match at 50%, and there was no interest zone here, not a 3, not a 5 minutes either. So, the reason why I was seeing this as an order block or an interest zone is because on FCMO terminal, I see this as a white candle, so I see from different brokers and stuff. So I've learned to just see from the chart that I'm having right now, backtest from the chart right here, instead of going to the terminal on FTMO and then look on the charts over there. So I should be able to trust this. You see now it has adjusted a little bit. But back before when it was still loading, this was a black candle. This was a white and black candle. I don't know how to describe it. This one here, the previous candle body close was at with this even, and so it's a little weird. But now it has corrected itself, and the data has lined up. That's another thing. That's why I put on her here. There was signs of rejection, but no 1 minute OB was seen on the chart, which caused the setup to be invalid. And of course, it wasn't valid because, again, it's not 50% Fibonacci. I enter in a retail, and there was no interest zone on order block over here. So this area needs work. Setup based identification. So basically, identifying identifying setups, identifying the entry, and most importantly, identifying the signs that make the setup. And of course, Friday caution. It was on today. It was on Friday, so I was just going to do a little bit of talking and just chill out. But yeah, I got a little bit over the board, and I go onto the chart and trade. So that's one thing. I try not to trade on Friday, and yeah, not trade on Friday, and I just talk probably for around half an hour to an hour. I think is I've been dragging too long, like a normal session, even though there aren't a lot of things to talk about. So that's just one thing. So yeah, making this recording just to keep in mind of the human error. The technical errors are not, though they are there, but it's mostly human errors, and I would say 95% human errors um, on the chart. I need a lot more work on that part, and so that's why I think I need to. Yeah, I need a lot more work on the human error side. I need more psychology training instead of just a normal, just regular trading day, regular trading like normal. I don't know what I'm saying, man. Yeah, setups happen. Yeah, this one here, breakthrough. And was there any 50% at all? Trying to match this. Da-da-da. Almost matching the 50. So even so, that was not a setup. So it's kind of like an example of the same thing. If it's not a setup, if it doesn't match, then don't take the trade. Just that's it. Don't take the trade. If there's no interest zone and when the price bounced down, did not reach 50%, don't take it. So just an example for Friday today. I'm gonna keep back testing and finish up the week up until this week of back testing, and then we are going to do comparison on Saturday and compare all the trades, and then do another brief back testing again on Sunday. And then Monday is just the New Year holiday, so we're not gonna do anything there. But yeah, that being said, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow on Saturday or tonight. Tonight, see you tonight when I do the live stream. Um, just back testing. It's like take an initiative. That's all.